I will show you how to create a login form. In a login form, you need text box, two text box, a label box, and a button. I will change the label caption into username and label 2 as password. The caption of the button. This login form or login program is not connected to the database, and we will declare a instant username and password. So this login form does not have a database, so we will declare a variable or a text that is constant. So just type if text box1 dot text is equals to admin, then if text box2 dot text is equals to password, then message box that show login success. Else for the second condition, message box that show incorrect password. For the first condition, else message box that show incorrect username. So let's try. We will input first the username, admin, password, incorrect username. So the condition stated that if text box1 dot text is equals to admin, then login success, but the user name is not valid, so we will correct it. Login success. So if we uncorrect the password, incorrect password. So that's it. If you want to make the text of the password not visible, or change the character of it by password car to the properties asterisk. So if you run again the program, admin password, login success. So the password is secured because of the password character asterisk.